This tastes like real freaking meat.
Do you want to try some chicken nuggets I made?
I freaking do.
This tastes like exactly like Chick-fil-A.
Like Chick-fil-A?
Yes.
So you like it?
Yes, I do.
What if I told you it's tofu?
Oh no, not tofu. I thought you were gonna say something, but tofu? Looks like real chicken. How's this tofu? I never liked tofu. This tastes like real freaking meat. Wait. Like I can tell the difference.
That's tofu?
Yeah.
Girl, you got me one.
This is not a trick. I'm not gonna get sick from eating meat, am I?
No.
Would have never guessed. This is good. This is delicious. Great job.